Hare Krishna. Today we are very happy for two reasons. One was yesterday was very beautiful in our life, and the second one is today is my brother's birthday. One and only one best brother of mine is celebrating his birthday today. Just wished him and very happy about that. And the next news is that yesterday our spiritual master, our spiritual father visited our home. It was so nice. But in this time of epidemic, how could you expect our Guru Maharaj to visit our home? The answer is it was online visit. Our temple had many people, around 75 plus 75 people, and he visited almost 70 plus homes. Our number was 75, and somehow our number came little before, and we got the chance to see him. And the minute he saw, he said Hari Bol, and it was quite amazing, that our spiritual master is saying Hari Bol on seeing. He could see our spouse and us, and then after the visit he loved to see the Lord's altar in our house, and his secretary also told us that you preach ecstatically. So now we are making an effort to follow the order. What makes us ecstatic? Only two things. One is the holy names. One is our spiritual master's support. And we got both yesterday. We've been feeling that we don't need doctors for dealing with depression. We don't need pills or alcohol to forget our worries. If we take the addictive holy name, does it become addictive for everyone? Yes, it will. Even for you. If you want to experience, join us live on Facebook every day, 5 p.m. Indian time. And people from all over the world are welcome to join us. Holy name chanting is very powerful, even for you and me and for everyone. That's why if you are a Muslim, chant the names of Allah. If you are a Christian, chant the holy names what you're told to chant. And if you are a Hindu or the follower of Sanatan Dharma, or maybe a Buddhist or a Jain, please join us to chant Hare Krishna Mantra. But before you chant Hare Krishna Mantra, there is a rule, a condition. You must chant the names of those people who told you to chant the holy names. Because when you remember them, then the power is going to be abundant. And what are those names? Few words, less than 10. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. So that is 5 people plus Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Gaura is Lord Gauranga. Gauranga is golden formed Krishna who came with the mood of Radharani to this world 500 years, 525 years ago in West Bengal, in Navadvip Dham. And then he came with his team members, with his Mridanga and Kartal, and he told, chant the holy names. Why? Because in this age of Kali, Harer Nama, Harer Namaiva Kevalam, only Harinam, and Kalau Nastyaiva, Gatiranyata. He's told very clearly, there's no other way. Lord Krishna coming and telling you that, what more do you want? And if you trust that, and if you try that, the result is immediate. And how to do that? If you want immediate result, there is only one trick. If you're so much in depression, this is the time to try it out. Are you in depression? Or in case if you're not in depression, you can just think of something that really pained you. Go into that mood and then just close your eyes and chant with your tongue in a way you hear attentively to the pronunciation of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Just few times. Just chant and you will see during the time of chanting you become totally cool. You become peaceful. You know, like this. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. There should be respect for the holy names and you should be attentively hearing to the pronunciation. Don't say Krishna like most of us say Krishna. It's not Krishna, it's Krishna. Krishna, we write it as Krishna. In Kannada, in Sanskrit, in Hindi, we write Krishna. Bengali, we write Krishna. So if you can say Krishna, you pay attention and don't say Ram. You can say, but don't say. Just say Rama. For the clarity, when you focus on the clarity of pronunciation with respect, understanding holy name none other than Lord Krishna himself. That Hare is Mother Radharani and Krishna is Krishna. And if you can chant the holy names remembering Radharani and Krishna, when you say Hare, remember Radharani. And when you say Krishna, remember Krishna. And if you do that by prayerfully, thinking of Srila Prabhupada, then, you are going to experience immediate relief from all your depression, from all your worries. And suppose you are stuck in a problem and your mind cannot think of anything but the problem and you don't have a solution. Then there is a solution, and that is Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Just say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You know what we do? We do one more additional thing. In Sri Mayapur Dham, which is the most beautiful place on earth, the most beautiful, not because of the scenic beauty, but because of the spiritual power, because of the devotional ocean that is flowing abundantly in the campus of Mayapur Dham, where you see beautiful Radha Madhav and the Ashtasakis. There, if you can go early in the morning, 4:30 a.m. and hear the song, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Come on, sing with me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So like this, if you can sing nicely with the devotees in the holy dham of Mayapur, then the happiness that you are going to get is abundant, and we have experienced it, and it was so much, and it became so much, and it came down like this. The happiness rolled down like this. For the first time when we were 19, we had visited Mayapur Dham, and we never forgot that place. We lost our heart there. It is such a beautiful place, such beautiful deities, so nicely they are decorated with nice dresses, nice matching flowered garlands, everything done with devotion. It is not done for a show off, it is done to please the Lord. There's a lot of difference between show off and between devotion. Things are done to please the Lord. So when you chant Hare Krishna mantra to please the Lord, even though you are in between terrible problems, when you chant, just tell the Lord, I am going to chant, you take care, I will take care of remembering you, you take care of remembering my problems, and then just forget it. Just when you chant, just don't think of the problems that is really choking you, but you think of the holy names just by hearing. Remember, Hare means Radharani, Krishna means Krishna. Rama means the one who is giving pleasure to Radharani. That is also Krishna. So if you can remember the meaning and if you can chant remembering only Radha and Krishna respectfully by paying attention. How do you respect? When a person is talking, you respect by hearing. So when you chant, the Lord comes on your tongue. Because you chant from the tongue, the Lord comes on the tongue and tongue moves up and down. The Lord moves up and down. Radha and Krishna move up and down. Inside your mouth means you're making them dance. So just pay attention to them by paying attention to the sound form. And only for some time chant and see. And for sure, you are going to forget your problems and feel so much better. After chanting, the problem that was agitating you, that was troubling you, that was torturing you is not going to bother you so much as it was doing before. Some more dosage. You take some more dosage of Hare Krishna mantra when you are, wanting to get rid of pain, and then some more lightness you will feel in the heart. So it is instant, my dear friends. It's instant. So give it a try. And we've been doing that and we were quite happy. And we used to write living blissfully messages daily. But you know what? That was just this much happiness. But when our Guru Maharaj, His Holiness Jaya Pataka Swami Maharaj, visited our home yesterday online, the happiness was abundant. That's because a devotee who is all the time remembering Krishna, all the time his heart is chanting the holy names, he becomes so pure. It's not because he's very good looking, it's not because he's very healthy, he's old, and he cannot speak properly because of the 3 tumor operation that took place. He's paralytic, he's on the wheelchair, he needs help, he's on diet, and his eyes are pinned up, and his mouth should not fall, so the wire comes like that, and he's not able to raise his hands properly. He needs help, and he has got very nice assistants who are all secretaries, who put eye drops in between. In between the cough comes, he cannot get up and spit. He needs help. And he, in his condition, is happy because he's chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. He's chanting the holy names. That is the biggest proof that in the world, anybody can be happy if they chant the holy names. So therefore, we beg you, with folded hands, please join us at 5 p.m. on Facebook Live. My name is Achala Hari on Facebook. ACHALA space HARI. So please join us on Facebook Live to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. From today, every day. Hare Krishna.